Hi there, I'm Yvonne de Celis and I'm coming to you today on YDCtv. It is Wednesday, July 8th, and it is currently 6:08 p.m. Sorry, I just wanted to make sure I gave you the right time. I'm actually going to do two videos today. I'm going to do the other one a little bit later. It's going to be a much longer video than this one. I'm actually filming this for someone else. They asked me why I don't ever do videos about foot pain. So two answers to that. One is my own fault, but I'm one of those people who just don't like feet. And also, I don't really have a good camera situation set up right now, so I can't really easily show you my feet. All I can do is show you my hands and say, okay, pretend this is my foot and these are my toes, etc. What I'll show you really quickly is something that I saw today in a really good video. I'm looking at my other computer at the moment. The organization is called Heal Play Live, and it's a woman who does a wonderful video. It's called Morning Detox, Spooning the Feet and Opening the Hand and Foot Gates. Hope I'm making eye contact with the right place, by the way. In other words, I hope I'm making eye contact with you right now. What she does is she says what you need to do is use a stainless steel spoon. And I've heard of spooning before for energy healing, and I know it can be effective. I still don't fully understand it, and I haven't done a whole lot with it, but I am going to start working with it because I know magnets work, and if they're suggesting stainless steel for things, that probably works as well. She doesn't actually spoon her hands, she spoons her feet. She actually takes her socks off, and again, you're going to have to pretend this is my foot because I can't show you my feet. Well, I can, but I just don't want to. It's kind of gross to me. But she actually just does figure eights on her foot. It's almost like pretend you're massaging the underside of your foot when you're doing this with the spoon. Push in to this part of the spoon and just do figure eights, and do it on both feet. You want to do it on the undersides of both feet. The other thing they recommended, and they recommended this for both hands and feet, what you want to do is take your fingers between the bones, not between the toes though, between the bones that separate the toes. It's metacarpals and metatarsals, depending on if it's hand or feet. But what you need to do is press in and very vigorously massage, i.e. almost to the point of pain, not pain, but discomfort. And you can do both sides too. But doing the massage down in between the bones where the fingers are, or the toes or fingers, you want to do top and bottom of the foot. Just do a massage all the way down, all the toes. And honestly, I don't remember if she said to go, she might have said to actually go up. It might have been up the toes. And then, yeah, it was go up, all the way up and off of each individual finger, an individual toe. And one of the reasons I think she says to go off the toe is because of the way meridian tracings work. At some point, I will do another meridian tracing video. I may actually do a week-long meridian tracing thing where I do 1 or 2 meridians a day, and then I'll end everything with a full meridian tracing. There's 14 meridians to the body, and a lot of meridians either start and or end on fingers and toes. You usually go off the toe, or you start at a toe or a finger. So anyway, in answer to your question, I wish I could help you. I wish I could show you more with my feet, but I can't. I did send the person who made the request video links, and I will put those video links in the description of this video as soon as I can. I don't know when that's going to be. It's probably going to be today or tomorrow, but check again. If you don't see it right away, I will try to put the links up on the description of this video, and hopefully you'll see them show up somewhere up above during the video. But again, I will be doing another video a little later on today. It's probably going to be a bit longer, maybe 5 to 10 minutes long. Because what I'd like to do is show you Donna Eden's daily 5 to 10 minute feel-good daily energy medicine routine. You don't have to do every single thing she does. You can do all of them. You can do 1, 2, or 3, however many works for you. I'll show you what I do in the morning, what helps me. But you can pick and choose what you like, see what you think you like. Hopefully it'll make you feel better. It should. There's a lot of benefits to it. I discovered energy healing through Donna a couple of years ago, and as I told her, I've been getting better ever since. Anyway, on that note, thank you as always for your time. Namaste, peace and light, and I will be back again soon. Take care of yourselves. Please let me know down below what you think. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested. It's free to do. And I guess that's it. Once again, thanks so much for your time. Namaste. Peace and light. See you later.